shot reveals the full storage yard at sunset. Doesn't...
Camera tracks along the blade guides above the cutting zone.
Watch the edge right there. Got it. Secure the next one. We need more tension on this side. It's sagging slightly. Check the angle against the upper bench. Ensure alignment. The vein structure is much clearer now. We should start the cut along this line.
Agreed. That fracture near the top changes the approach.
This one looks good. Tension is holding steady. All right, let's mark it and move to the next pallet.
According to the schematic, the cut should follow this exact path to minimize waste.
Confirmed. The measurements align perfectly now.
Right there, follow the blue line. It angles up.
Got it. Adjusting the mark now.
Look at that vein pattern. We're hitting denser stone. All right, increasing water pressure.
Ease it left, watch the alignment on the far side. All right, bring it down slow.
Steady, steady. All right, check for slippage.
None detected.
Looks good. Confirmed safe for lifting. Alignment looks good. Take the tension. A little more to the left. Easy now, easy. Okay, set it down right there.
A closing wide shot reveals the full storage yard at sunset. Dozens of marble blocks aligned in rows.
A side-angle shot shows the synchronized movement of blade frames. Each blade tracks straight, guided by tensioning.
As blades lift slightly, slurry drains away, revealing faint hit-porting groove surfacing.
The camera tracks along the blade guides above the cutting zone. Counterweights and tension rods maintain blade straightness under load. The first abrasive heads engage the slabs. Coarse grinding stones rotate under controlled pressure, removing midway through the line, honing heads smooth the surface to a satin finish. For honed marble, polishing stops here.
Final buffing heads apply minimal pressure, enhancing gloss without removing material. Water flow decreases slightly, leaving the slab clean and luminous.
The slab exits the polishing line and pauses briefly for surface rinse. Water sheets off smoothly, confirming uniform finish.
Slabs on automated measuring frames. Mechanical calipers check thickness consistency. Slight deviations are corrected by
This imperfection here, use the blue chalk and check the consistency on this vein.
Right away. The color uniformity seems standard.
Yes, it's acceptable. Let's move to the next slab.
The chap concludes with a wide aerial shot of the plant marble slab.